it's Joel from Chapman Manufacturing and Nick from Planeta Woodworking, and we have here our new tool board. Last year we decided to make something that wasn't a box or a case for the first time in Chapman history. So Nick and I spent about a year working on this tool board, pretty excited about it, and this is what we came up with, and Nick will show you some of the features.
Yeah, so all the racks on here are modular, so they're attached to the backboard with magnets, so you could screw this board to your shop wall, above your tool bench, or anywhere you like. You could also use it in tent mode or easel mode, sitting on a tabletop. And it fits all the plastic racks just like in the Mighty Master kits and all but the other sets. So all you have to do is take the racks out and stick them right into the Precision CNC pocket. Two racks, we also included metal pegs so that you could put the screwdriver handle, extensions, or both ratchets, or even the spinners on. And then we included an extra plastic rack so that if you have any extra bits, you could put it right on the top row. And then this section is magnetic so that you could stick all sorts of small screws or bolts or parts to it as you're working on something.
So our goal with this was to make it as modular and customizable as possible. That's why you can rearrange everything. There's extra pegs, there's extra rack. It fits everything in the Mighty Master plus an extra rack. And the top, we can laser with pretty much anything, right?
Right. So anything in logo format, just like the Chapman logo. If you want custom text on it, or even some low quality pictures we can engrave on it. This is made out of birch plywood, and the racks are made out of a superior grade pine. So very strong material, and like we said before, very modular, so you could put it however you wish.
So you can see this and the beautiful wood boxes that Nick makes on our website, chapmanmfg.com.